Hello friends, welcome again to our channel Quiz Quotes and More, and we are going to the next video, next part of the MCQs where we are going to discuss another 20-25 questions which are highly important in your competitive examinations. So without wasting the time, let's go ahead to discuss the questions. So the first question is, which emperor wrote the play Nagananda in Sanskrit language? The play Nagananda in Sanskrit language. A. Prabhakara Vardhana. B. Harshavardhana. C. Chandragupta II. And D. Vindushar. Nagananda in Sanskrit language. A. Prabhakara Vardhana. B. Harshavardhana. C. Chandragupta II. And D. Bindushar. And the right answer is Harshavardhana. In this video, we'll go quite fast and we'll try to discuss the questions and answers only. So, the next question is, which of the following books is based on astrology? Romak Siddhanta, Arya Bhattiya, Hora Shastra, and Brahma Siddhant. Astrology books: Romak Siddhanta, Arya Bhattiya, Hora Shastra, Brahma Siddhant. And the right answer is Hora Shastra. Next question, which Veda deals with the magical hymn or charms of spell? A. Rig Veda, B. Sham Veda, C. Atharva Veda, D. Yajur Veda. Magical hymn in Veda, which Veda? And the answer is Atharva Veda. Next question, Harihara Raya, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for the period of 1336 to 1356, belonged to which dynasty? So, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for the period of 1336 to 1356 belonged to which dynasty? Harihara Raya I, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for 1336 to 1356. Which dynasty? Option A, Shanagama dynasty. Option B, Shalva dynasty. C, Tuluva dynasty. D, Aravidu dynasty. And the answer is Shangama dynasty. Next, Tuluva Naresha, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for the period of 1491 to 1503, belonged to which dynasty? A, Shangama dynasty. C, B, Salva dynasty. C, Tuluva dynasty. D, Aravidu dynasty. And the right answer is Tuluva dynasty. Let's go ahead. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the which book? What is written? Chandogyopanishad, Chandogyopanishad, Mundakopanishad, Kathopanishad, and Kenopanishad. And the right answer is Kathopanishad. How many spokes are there in the Dharma Chakra of the national flag? It's very simple. All of us Indians must know how many spokes are there in the Dharma Chakra of national flag. A 22, B 18, C 24, D 14. I repeat again, A 22, B 18, C 24, D 14. What is the right answer? 24. 24 is the right answer. Correct. Let's go ahead. Next question. Champa was the capital of which of the following Mahajanpadas in the ancient India? Champa, the capital of which of the following Mahajanpadas in ancient India? A. Anga, B. Magadha, C. Vaji, and D. Kasi. Champa was the capital of which of the following Mahajanpadas? Anga, Magadha, Vaji, and Kasi. Answer is Anga. Anga was the capital. Champa was the capital of Anga Mahajanpada. Next question. Satavahana dynasty originated from where? Which place? Satavahana dynasty. A. South of Aravali. B. South of Vindhya. C. South of Satpura. D. South of Satmola. Satavahana dynasty originated from which part? South of Aravali, south of Vindhya, south of Satpura, south of Satmola, and the right answer is south of Vindhya. Correct. Next question. The Ajanta painting belongs to the which period? Ajanta painting which period? A. Harappan period. B. Mauryan period. C. Buddhist period. D. Gupta period. I repeat, Ajanta paintings belongs to which period? Harappan period, Mauryan period, Buddhist period, Gupta period. Gupta period. Gupta period is the right answer. The Ajanta paintings belong to the Gupta period. Next question. Whose achievements are recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription? Whose achievement? Which king's achievement recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Samudragupta. C. Vikramaditya. D. Skandagupta. Allahabad pillar. Whose achievement mentioned in the Allahabad pillar? Chandragupta Maurya, Samudragupta, Vikramaditya, and Skandagupta. And the right answer is Samudragupta. The achievements of Samudragupta was recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription. Next question. The land measure of the second Pandyan Empire was mentioned in where? Land measure of second Pandyan Empire. Thalavaipuram copper plates, Uttirameru inscription, Kudumiyamalai inscription, and Kasadudi copper plates. Option A, Thalaivipuram copper plates, Uttarimeru inscription, Kudumiyamalai inscription, and Kasadudi copper plates. The land measure of second Pandyan. The right answer is Thalaivipuram copper plates. Next question. Which of the following cities are founded by Krishnadevaraya? Warangal, Nagalpura, Udayagiri, Chandragiri. Which cities are founded by Krishnadevaraya? Warangal, Nagalpura, Udayagiri, and Chandragiri. The right answer is Nagalpura. Next. Which Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Kailash temple of Shiva at Ellora? Which Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Kailash temple of Shiva at Ellora? A. Danti Durga. B. Amogh Varsha 1. C. Krishna 1. D. Vatsaraja. Which Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Kailash temple of Shiva at Ellora? Danti Durga, Amogh Varsha 1, and Krishna 1 and Vatsara 1. Krishna 1 built the famous Kailash temple of Shiva at Ellora. Next question. Who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription? Allahabad pillar inscription about the Samudragupta we read few minutes back. Harishena, Mahasena, Veerasena, and Vishnusena. Who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription? Harishena, Mahasena, Veerasena, and Vishnusena. Harishena. Harishena is the right answer. Harishena composed the Allahabad pillar inscription. Next question. The 8th century tripatriate power struggle was among the which of the following? 8th century tripatriate power struggle basically. Which three Bansas? A. Cholas, Rashtrakutas and Yadavas. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Pandyas. Cholas, Pandyas and Chalukyas. D. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Yadavas. I repeat, in 8th century, there is a tripartite power struggle. You can refer the history. Among which of the following? Chola, Rashtrakutas and Yadavas. A. B. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Pandyas. C. Cholas, Pandyas and Chalukyas. D. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Yadavas. The right answer is B. Chalukyas, Pallavas and Pandyas. Next question. What is the ancient name of river Satluj? River Satluj ancient name. A. Askini. B. Vitasta. C. Sutradri. D. Parusini. And the right answer is Sutodri. Next question. Who has given the treatise on the rule of Pandyan kingdom by a Pandala, a daughter of Heracles? Megasthenes, Kautilya, Banabhatta and Kalidas. Who has given the treatise on the rule of Pandyan kingdom by Pandala, a daughter of Heracles? The answer is Megasthenes. Next, who among the following wrote commentaries on Harshavardhana's administration and the court life in Kannauj? The details of Harshavardhan's administration and the court life. Who written at Kannauj? A. Al-Biruni, B. Fahian, C. Huensang, and D. Ibn Battuta. A. Al-Biruni, B. Fahian, C. Huensang and D. Ibn Battuta, and the right answer is Huensang. Next question. Who wrote the famous Qural, which is the verse deals with many aspects of life and religion? Who wrote the famous Qural, which in verse deals with many aspects of life and religion? A. Vartihari, B. Bana, C. Magaha, and D. Thiruvallar. And the right answer is Thiruvallar. Now the good news is that there is an opportunity to earn 5 to 10 lakh rupees per month. It's possible legally, ethically, responsibly. The opportunity is in your hand. You can go to the description box and sign up the description box. You can see all the details in that. Go through the details, and while you study, many people are earning, you can also earn. See the details, study it well, decide then if any problem, in connect to the number given there. Share these MCQs, these questions, these videos to all the deserving students and help the people to grow, to qualify their exams and get the best marks. And finally, many thanks and wish you all the best for you, for a career, for a life, for exams. All the best. Thank you.